All right, in example 4, we've got a jeweler who wants to craft a pendant with the same shape as shown. Use the figure to determine the measure of the arc at the bottom of the pendant. All right, so we're looking from this point to this point. All right, we know the full circle is 360, so if I call this shorter segment x, then this longer arc is going to be 360 minus x. All right, the two lines intersect outside the circle, so we know the measure of the angle equals 1/2 the difference of the big arc and the small arc. All right, so we're going to have 360 minus x for the big arc, x for the small arc, and we know the angle is 40. So 40 equals 1/2 times 360 minus 2x. All right, we'll multiply both sides by 2 to clear that half. That's 80 equals 360 minus 2x. We'll subtract the 360 off both sides. All right, that'll get us to 280, all right, negative 280, equals negative 2x. And then x, if we divide both sides by negative 2, will be 140 degrees. All right, so we're looking at the measure of the arc indicated is 140 degrees for the short side. That means the long side is 360 minus 140, which is going to give us 220 degrees. So the answer for this one, that outside bigger arc, is 220 degrees. And again, that's the arc from there to there. All right, hope that helps on that one.